Hey, it's Living with Shanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today we're going to be making this bridesmaid flower hoop. Let's get started. For this project you need a ring, a gold ring. If you have a different color, you can go ahead and just get it sprayed. This was actually bought this color. You can get this from like Marshall's, any of those stores. So you need the ring, a pair of scissors. I don't know where I put my scissors, so I'm just gonna use these kitchen scissors, glue sticks and a glue gun, and of course a variety of flowers you may want to use. So I have here different types of flowers. I've already sorted out what flowers I use for each of the rings. So I wanted to make sure that each ring has a specific number of flowers and a specific type of flowers. So I have here all my flowers. You have this one. They look like real flowers. These are fake flowers. These are really beautiful. And then it comes with these here. So I have that style. I also have this style. You can see how beautiful these flowers are. That one, these. So I have this blush rose type of flower. It's a little bit blush. It's not too pink, it's just a little bit blush. One of the greenery and just a little bit of off colors. Of course I have all these other ones, so let me show you the flowers I'm using. They're very close to each other, but they're not. So you have this design that's a little bit more open and it has these flowers down there. You have this one that is a bit more blush. It looks pink, but it's not really pink. It's really beautiful. You have this one that is not. It's just like a regular, I don't know what they call it, but this is beautiful as well. And then you have this one that is closer to a rose. Very beautiful. So here is how I start. I place all my flowers based on the length. I'm going to place all my length based on this, the stem, the shorter ones at the end, the medium sized ones, and then you have one that is the longest. Then follows these little ones that you're just going to use to just fill up the gaps. So let's get started. My longest stem, I'm gonna wrap it around. It's okay, it's gonna come out to be good. Don't worry about it, just make sure it's wrapped around it. And don't worry about the stem showing, because we're gonna cover all that. See, wherever your flowers are going to fall the most is going to be the front of your flowers. Most of my flowers are falling to the front. So I am going to now use my glue to make them stay where I want them to stay. So this one, for example, I'm going to glue right here. Just going to add a little bit of glue there. And we'll make sure that it stays there, because that's exactly where I want this to stay. Don't worry about how it looks now. It's going to come out good, okay? I want this one to stay like this. So you play around to see how you want it to stay. And you just glue it there. Just let it glue the way you want it. My first piece is done, which is the longest. And I'm just going to take these other pieces and play around until I get what I want, right? So I'm going to go to the next shape. The next ones that are like the medium sizes. I have 3 of those. So let's go around. We're gonna speed this now. This color, I want it to be in the middle, right? This design, I want it to be in the middle. So you're almost there. Now we're gonna go in and fill up with these ones. This is where you're actually gonna be using a lot of glue, because you're just gonna be placing these there. And these little leaves, you're gonna walk around to make sure that the back is not too ugly. So let's get going. When you're done, you want to make sure you remove all of these dry glue slings that are just living around. That's what it looks like. Trust me, it will not even take you 5 minutes to make one of these. It's just so easy. And another thing you can do is they actually sell flower strings, so you can buy those to attach it, but I personally just like the glue method because you can always rip it and remove the glue and start over if you want to, or change the design. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. As you can see, this is the other one. That's how they look. Pretty similar. Just play around with it and you'll get the results you want. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.